몽골UHG GS Railway project is located between the Tavantolgoi region, which is 550 kilometers south of Mongolia's capital Ulaanbaatar, and the Chinese border. This large-scale construction project has a route length of 218 kilometers, track length of 270 kilometers, and 2 train stations. The Ukha-Hodok mine has the second largest coal deposit in Mongolia. It is an open-cast mine with uncomplicated topography for mining business. Coal has been mined since 2009 with an area of 2,960 hectares. The reserves exceed 900 million tons, while mining output is 10 million tons per year. Currently, coal is being trucked from the mine to the Chinese border. Once the railway is completed, coal transporting will gradually increase to 30 million tons per year by 2018. Samsung C&T is performing the main project's construction and installation with an objective to complete construction in the shortest time period of 36 months, from June 2012 to August 2015. A total of 33,400 tons of rail, 26,700 square meters of concrete, and 6,700,000 square meters of ballast will be used for the 몽골UHG GS Railway project. The construction and structures for the 몽골UHG GS Railway project is as follows. Among the 2 train terminals, the UHG yard will be constructed first. The shipping yard will begin at the Balloon Loop. "69 box culverts, 17 bridges, animal underpasses, animal crossing ramps, 49 pipe culverts, and 5 passing sidings will be constructed along the tracks. Finally, the GS yard, which will become the train terminal and station, will be constructed. In order to reduce construction time, the project will be divided into 13 sections and will commence and be managed simultaneously. The geotechnical survey was completed using 1,200 borings. The railway route was selected by using satellite and aerial surveys during basic planning. For final design and construction, a traverse survey relying on GPS will be implemented to assist in the management of the project. Also, over 600 heavy machineries will be used to make sure the project runs efficiently. Mounding will begin by flattening the site surface, and after, fill material will be transported. Then the first round of leveling work will be carried out. The second round of leveling work or the flattening of the site will then be conducted. When the site flattening is completed, 30 centimeter thick compaction work will begin. A proof rolling test will be conducted to ensure that the compaction rate exceeds 95%. Soil replacement will be carried out if compaction is not satisfactory. The same processes will be repeated over 8,080,000 square meters. Excavating will begin with soil excavation. When soil excavation is completed, road bed flattening and the proof rolling test will be conducted. 3,380,000 square meters of excavation will be carried out in this manner. Once earthwork is completed, track work will come into full swing. Track work is the main construction work of any railway project. It begins with 3,000 square meters of ballast routing every day. When routing is finished, 25-meter settlement tracks will be welded at the track construction depot in order to reduce construction time and optimize construction efficiency. The 300-meter long welded rail will be transported using a specialized shipping vehicle. After the first round of bottom ballast routing is completed, track laying equipment will be used to construct 1,200 meters per day. After the tracks are installed, mobile flash butt welding will be used for welding on-site. After the second round of ballast routing, flattening of the site surface will be carried out. Then tamping will commence. Tamping and de-stressing will then be conducted. Followed by grinding and inspection that will complete the construction. BIM, an advanced design and management technique, has been implemented for the design, construction, and management of the Mongolia Railway project. BIM will take on a vital role regarding quality control and construction time compliance by applying design quality enhancement, integrated construction management, and resource management. All information gathered during the project's life cycle will also be used for facility operation and maintenance. Coal will be transported 12 times a day once the 몽골UHG GS Railway project is completed. The operation stages for the mining project include excavation, processing plant, loading, transporting, and transshipment. Finally, the coal is sold and exported. First, excavation is carried out at the open cast mine. The separation process requires trucks to be used to transport coal to the processing plant. The coal is then cleaned of impurities and the separation process begins. The first sorting is done using roller screens to sort according to size. A crusher is used to break down large-sized coal. The finely crushed coal is stored in 1,000-ton capacity silos and separated into 3 coal plants. The coal that is transported from the silo to the coal plant passes through the multi-slope desliming screen to eliminate impurities while additional separating is conducted. Passing through the dense medium cyclone, it is finally categorized as bituminous coal or coking coal. The sorted products are either stored or sent for sample testing. Later, the coal is finally loaded onto the trains. Transporting will begin from the balloon loop once loading is complete. The products will then be transported at speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour to a transshipment facility located near the Chinese border. Train service will see 6 sets of 100 freight cars, each complete 2 round trips, with a total of 12 such trips per day. An efficient light signal system will safely allow for a maximum of 90,000 tons of coal to be transported per day. Animal crossing ramps and animal underpasses have been constructed to preserve the existing ecosystem. Transshipment will be carried out upon arrival at the Chinese border. There is a gauge difference of 85 millimeters between the Mongolian Railway and Chinese Railway. But an efficiently planned transshipment system will ensure organized coal transshipment. The coal will then be exported to its destination once transshipment is complete. This mining project will become the base for Mongolia's economic industry. It will also help in developing much-needed infrastructure, while creating jobs while connecting related industries like tourism using the railway. It will assist Mongolia in becoming a recognized country around the world. Samsung C&T's Civil Business Unit has participated in global construction projects that applied advanced technology. For road, railway, and port infrastructure, Samsung C&T has an excellent EPC track record with construction experience and know-how. Samsung C&T will once again prove its world-renowned construction capabilities by successfully completing the 몽골UHG GS Railway project with its advanced technology, challenging mindset, and endless effort.